In Norway, Sweden and Denmark, they are forcing our farmers to put chemicals into the food of the cows so they will fart less and burp less. I mean, reduce the CO2. Here we have a Danish farmer that was using this chemical and his cows started getting sick. And one of his cows actually died as well. So imagine what this does to the milk and the steaks, the most nutritious food we have. Listen to this.
Jeg har haft 2 tilfælde, siden vi startede, som det fik rigtig stor mavekrampe. Vi har haft dyrlyd søndag aften og behandlet den ko, men den ko kunne vi desværre ikke redde. Hun døde næste dag.
So he's saying that his cow died after using this government-approved chemical. I mean, there's so many ways they're already poisoning us, but this is the last straw. We're talking about the steak. We're talking about the cow. This is the holy grail of nutrition, okay, guys? We cannot let this happen. In Norway, we almost have 40,000 people who signed a petition against Bovaer, but we're still not enough people. We need more Norwegians to wake up, or else I'm just gonna start my own farm and raise my own cattle and just become a cowboy, okay?